Okay, now we have Susan had a question. Is there a way to go into the history and find out what brush you used? It should. And let's say that I'm going to use this paint, the tool, the brush tool. Again, it's going to take a while to load. And let's say that I'm going to use this brush. Okay, I'm just going to go around here. Poor guy, he's going to be all painted. You're supposed to see here under image information, there's edit history. I'll have to double check. I'm not sure if I have to save it. Maybe I have to save it first. Let's go test one. If I go to image history, here I have everything that I did to that image before I saved it, and all kinds of things. And here at the bottom, this happens to be the last command, was the brush. And let's try to find brush tip, cast, edge, holiday, snowflake 999. That is the brush. So it's not always very easy to go and find that into the, and I didn't do that much on this image. So imagine if you do a whole project, you'll have a lot. But what you can do is you can select all, I think, no, you can save the edit history and see, you can save it as, okay, log file. And then you can use Notepad. I'm using Notepad++, which is just my preference because it has numbers and it's better for scripting. So let's just go to that edit history that I just saved. Campus, Q&A, October, and let's go for that log file. Whoops, did I log it in the wrong place? Uh-oh. Where did I put it? Okay, let's do it again. Save. Oh, I put it in September. Ah. No wonder I'm in the wrong month. So I'll just go and campus, Q&A. Let's go in September where I have that log file I just saved, and this is what I have. One thing to remember, this is not enough to recreate everything as a script. It is missing a lot of elements, but you have at least the information. And in this point, at this point, you just go with Control F to search, and you search for brush, and you'll see, okay, I was using different brushes. You can go next, next, until you go to paintbrush, or I could have searched for paintbrush only, and you'll see here custom brush is the actual brush I used. It's kind of a long, convoluted way to get it, but at least it is stored somewhere. So if you need to go back to your project and find that information. So If you are still working on your image and you haven't saved it, you always have the history here with F3 on your keyboard, and you can right click on an element, copy to clipboard, and then you can open any notepad and paste it, and you'll have the same information here. And of course, that started with the edit history only in version 19. So if you are using an older version and you have closed your image, tough. You kind of lost that information. Typically, the information should be saved in the PSP image format, but it could be lost in a JPEG. Although this one is kind of calling me a liar because I saved as a JPEG. Might have been different if I closed it. I don't know. Just test it. Hey there. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!